Very good afternoon to all. I hope you are fine and doing well. See, once you entering for the security aspects, you should have a pledge, you should have a declaration, you should have a documentation, how that is going to be a warranty for a long time, how we can define what is meant by information assurance with respect to the security, we can understand today. See what will happen. This is just sort of a type. It may be a ways. It may be a classification. In which way the number of assets which are available, no, which are going to be maintained in a protected forum, and which will perform based on the level of assessment. We can easily gain the various threats or the failures happening in the whole set organization. That is an indication of how the policy, how the documentation, which are going to be full-fledged for the information. You can call it as information assurance. It looks like some sort of a standard procedure. We start with like a classification, which will find the way in which way level of uncertainty, level of failureness, which are considered from the various assets, how we can go for protecting, and there should be user, we can call it as information assurance practitioner, who are all going to be take the responsibility of the risk assessment, and in which way, which are going to be part of the assurance. We can find out the various threats also, we can find out and we can figure it easily how this capable of making some sort of a weakness the whole set of assets, and we'll go one by one. What is the clear picture about the flow? We can easily understand one to another, and we can find out. Friends, suppose standard level of any sort of electronic commerce website used to be linked from any user to any internet, especially in the form of accessibility. You can say get through their details and connectivity to the electronic commerce, insurance related, share marketing business, and in which way the banking process of various activities which directly interact to the electronic commerce flow. Is it possible to make certain level of a policy and certain level of assurance and certain level of a warranty, which are all comes under as part of the information assurance? See what will happen. Usually we'll type www.amazon.com, www.snapdeal.com, www.flip.com, correct now, which provide the information such a way that which are in the mode of protection. If so, we are not in a position to gauge you are not in a position to understand and visualize clearly, which goes to give highly assurance to me, or when I used to interact with a specific application and specific tasks which are going to be executed from the website. So these things which are going to be happen day-to-day activities. Maybe a chances of web links through URL, and where we can get hyperlinks pick up that one, and you can find out in most of the various other issues. Once we used to go with electronic commerce website. I have given a certain examples like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Share Market, NSE stands for various other you can just take into consideration as part of this one. And what we can find a very clear thought about all these things. One among you can say, is it highly protected? Once we are interacting, we should have authorized data, authenticated data, availability of the data, is it privacy, is full-fledged protected one, how the activities of the integration of our complete profile, which are directly interact with any electronic commerce authentication, who is the best way to authorize my membership, who is the best way to give an authentication, and this particular interfacing from the user X to user Y and user X to the organization YAM, and we can find out various other way. User to the organization, organization to organization, organization to the user, whatever it may be. And these are all a clear thoughts for how we can understand the real flow. Mean to say, there should be a pledge, there should be a documentary, there should be some sort of important warranty flow. We can say declarations, which are a part of information assurance. We can say part of information assurance. And these are all the major standard spec from ISO once again. Say system managing a clear picture about which comes from, if you consider set of instructions you say, then a category of the software engineering, the product quality, quality assurance, we can say many other aspects also, according to the ISO, International Standard Organization, International Electronic Communication Standard spec of that one, and some of the standard level of system quality ought to be. If you take one is like a functionality, how best is going to be adequate? Is it adequacy throughout the session, throughout the way of the flow of this particular system quality? Interoperability. We have as a components integrated, which assembled, fabricated from heterogeneous environment, correct? No? We can find out from input to the interface, interface to the processing, processing to the design, design to the testing, testing to the final productivity, which are dependable on various other, correct? We can say how one to another way of interfacing mechanism which are going to be through, we can call it as interoperability. One to another, you just your plug and play, plug and play. So you say a software of a Zoom available as a open source. I don't know, you are using your personal cellular phone, maybe a laptop, maybe a desktop. Of course, you can take into supercomputer and the power PC also. But how Our idea is find out very clearly assurance between you and me only how the flow of an exchange from X to Y because of interoperability. I'm using a link from here to the gateway. You might be come across available in 192.168.3.1 gateway, ground floor of a computer center. From there, it will go up to the link where establish the service of MTNL, service of the BSNL, national level, which way the privacy policy assurance which come across. From there, once I correct, now we can find out the chances of wire and the wireless because the functionality dependable on interrupt. Correctness should be a very accurate one. If any accuracy is going to be error one with error, then how to make error free? You have to make a correctness, system will going to be take care. And similarly, the functionalities classes which consists of one is adequacy, interoperability, correctness, and the security. Once again, any function which is going to be performed from user X to the user Z, wherever it may be, in the system of communication, then the security must a character transformation, no, data transformation, no. Within a flower bracket, you can take multimedia data, whatever it may be. Reliability. See, we are in a position to understand. We are in a position to tackle. What I mean to say is in which way say, sir, hello, sir, you're going for a class today, like correct, no? There should be understand reliability, usability, how long is going to be used for, even though we are dependable on various other assets of a public, private assets, and how best way usability is going to be maintained, more efficiency. That means to say, if you say the assurance is going to be highly qualitative, consists of a functionality, under that one like adequacy, interoperability, correctness and security, then followed by understandability, reliability, usability, how best which are going to be useful for the purpose of specific application, for the usage of executing particular task, for the usage of finding a error, whatever it may be, we can take it. But all among, we can find out more efficient one. We can say efficiency, maintainability. That is all correct, no? Because most of the electronic components, how long which are going to be susceptible, how long which are going to be usable, how long which are going to be provide more efficiency of the data transmission, and you can say how which are going to be stored, how long. These are a standard aspects which comes for measuring a system quality. Portability, that is very very important. See, we heard a portability in a language. We have come across correct now how the ADA, Basic, Fortran, C, C++, Java. Now everything which is there, one Python, portability. Similarly, if we ourselves using any sort of a product which are part of the trademarks level, then there should be portability, correct now? See, in order to weave the flow of an information in a clarity manner, in a correctness manner, in a secured manner, in which way the information which are going to be present in the RoboSoft could be in standard. With a Macintosh, we can able to weave using a cellular phone, Samsung device, Ericsson device, Motorola, correct? No? These are all part of. That's why portable. Which of these do you think apply to high standard level of information assurance? See, which say about clearly the classification and in which way which are going to be divided, ways in which way which are going to be present. So what the information, how this particular information, once we define a clear objective level flow, then how it is different from a simple data. How it's different from a sequence of zeros and ones can find. See, especially what it mean to say is which differ. You can observe very clearly information is a data empower, endo, reliance, and purpose. Correct? No, you say that when once you describe today is Monday, used for my regular activity which are going to be very useful to update my profile. Converting data into information thus require a knowledge. Correct? You say that one. If you have a data, and you have to create in the form of information with the help of an abstract, whatever it may be, and there should be intelligent factors. Aspects are very, very essential. And by definition, one of the person, the fellow given very clearly, knowledge by definition is especially specialized one. Is give some sort of specification in order to manage, not just walking and talking and sitting. It will give some sort of interface to develop an insight from data and how this data become information with some sort of a characteristic features which are going to be bound. Take some example in which way robot, in which way we are using for various other activities for designing a airplane, aircraft. Similarly, helicopter. These are all some simple standard law. And what characteristics should information possess to be useful? Even though we have a group level, most of the object specification level available in company, then we can say which are very useful. But how these information which are going to be processed to be very, very essentially required for our day-to-day activities. Should be accurate, timely bound one, should be a complete within a span or a time bound in which way we do our open requirement, available freeness, easy way of understanding, and similarly complete. That is, see, once we have taken this particular assurance, should complete for specific reasons in between, whatever it may be, the tasks which are not going to be terminate at all. Verifiable, consistent, and availability. If you take any sort of an example for designing a specific application, we can go with the two standard tools are all in the form of a complete measuring, in the form of verifiable, in the form of consistent, in the form of availability. We can say this particular information needs about declaration, needs about declaration. That is nothing but we can call it as information assurance. Still, some of the references give a very clear picture about how if you take a raw fact with unknown coding without which are not used for coding, especially noise, raw fact with an unknown coding, correct? No? Just I am talking to you people, and in which way the presentations which are going, it might be observed some noise, interruption. Not intentionally, we can find out various other way which are going to be affect to the a complete system of information assurance. And if you have a raw fact information with a known coding system, that is all. See, there are two different categories. If you say noise, there should be raw facts with an unknown coding. because I could not understand what type of this one is coding mechanism. But if you have a rough abstract known coding, then it's called a data, which can be used for with incorrect now. If you go for making like operation research evaluation process with the help of standard, you should know linear programming, you should know queuing methods, you should know game theory, and various other studies, correct, which are going to be like that way, known coding system. Information may be a process one, but how we can get a knowledge, accepted facts, principles, rules of thumb that are especially very useful with for specific commands, specific domains. And the insight be the result of inferences and implications produced from simple information factors. You can say information which are available after processing, we can get a knowledgeable flow. Example, anything you can give correct now today, how the system of the flow which are going correct now due to COVID 2019. We can find out how the facts which are going to be available for us in front of us with maintenance of standard immunity stages, immunity status, we can say. And move towards once again further. What does mean that one? If you look at taking an example like this way, what is the dependability? How is going to be measuring a value with the help of according to the finger information we can get to. See, one of the important factor we can find from the DOD, Department of Defense, which involves, if you say Department of Defense, which involves action taken that protect and defend information and by ensuring their availability, integrity, authentication, confidentiality, and non-repudiation. See, we already come across any country have their own proposal. They have to follow according to the standard spec of international. We don't know how many countries are part of this one. Correct? No? We can make sure how the integrity, how the authentication, how which are going to be more confidential information which flow from one to another, and you can say which are going to be what sort of effect to the other end. A person is correct, no, simply just driving and say, which are not going to be detection and reaction capabilities. Non-repudiation especially, which includes providing for restoration, incorporation of a standard level of a protection, and similarly how we can go for detecting various reacting capabilities. These are all part of how we can just find out the information assurance. In which way you would like to find got it like information assurance? Study how to protect your information assets from the various other side of destruction, degradation, manipulation, exploitation, updation. These are all comes to a very clear picture about how which are going to be manageable with the help of small set of recovery. You can say how to recover should be any one of those happen. Correct notice that both proactive and the reactive. We can find out ourselves what are the declarations which are available for defining a network. See, according to the Defense Department of Defense definition, these are some aspects of high need information, especially needs IGP, or similarly, we can find out needing a protection. The one among is availability, timely, reliable access to the data and information. Next one, the protection against unauthorized modification. protection against unauthorized modification. And similarly, confidentiality, which says not disclose integrated and unauthorized personality or personification which are going to take place. Similarly, authentication, security measure to establish the validity of an information while transferring a data, message or originator. That's why only if you are driving a car, our own, and or it may be compulsory certain rules and regulations. And non-repudiation, that sender is going to be provided with various proof, a documentation, a documentary which are very, very essential for delivering a data, accepting, make a performance, make a manageable flow, everything which are going to be under comes under non-repudiation. Data delivery provided a proof and authenticated personality who are going to be the another end, and we can through justify either deny or going to be process of a data or not. Especially which are highly straightforward, very, very strict and very, very authenticated, very, very integrated one, and moreover, much more informative one in case of Department of Defense. That's why especially in case of military, which of these are the most important? How would you decide? And you can decide like the broad field, there is no universally accepted definition. If you say information, but researchers often give their own spin to a. That means to say, which are looks like a common, but once you get into the deeper level, hardcore level, softcore level, these are the changes are going to be taken. And you can find out several different views of IA, including Department of Defense. I used to be stay very stronger. I used to be say very openly. Whatever the flow which comes to us, you have to take in a spiritual manner. And tomorrow you can't say what is going to be correct. No? Several different ways of IA, including Department of Defense. So some of the other ways, great authors, and you can find out highly comparative, highly contrastive manner of these views, which are very, very useful for defining what is meant by information assurance. Without is coming, and according to a great person like a DH, Complete Guide to Security and Privacy Matrix, a spanning 4 security engineering domain. We keep in mind any sort of information security which flows with a team of various security professionals. First and the foremost, like how this particular now you can identify where exactly the secured insecurity is going to be happen. That's why similarly personal security, even though which are going to be useful from my side, which are going to be useful from the HOD side, which are going to be from the other in person, we can find out easily the personal security. Then information technology security, IT, a software which are once again fully license oriented, fully pirated, downloading, anonymous related, and you can say shareware and the freeware. These are all comes to a part of assurance. Operational security also, actually that is a yes, security. Operational security. You can find out the believeness with respect to the information technology security cannot be accomplished in a vacuum. It will give a very clear picture about how the dependencies, how the interaction which are going to be take place in between various domains of a team, and finally they have to make a productivity in the form of managing a level of assurance. So what will happen here? We can find out a lot of risk, lot of threats also should be considered along this dimension. If you go with like a physical security, personal security, IT security, and operational security, which provide intensive level of risk, which are going to be considerable part of threats also, how which are going to be manageable, we'll discuss in next class. Yes. And what exactly the great person, Deborah Herman, given a major categories of the flow, correct now, which says very clearly enforcing or to guess password encryption. See what will happen? We'll make an entry of the pin. We can make an entry of the pin. That pin, I can say I myself done a master level, highly secure level. A three ways you can easily justify. One is called a soft one, medium one, very hard one. None of them can't touch one. None of them can't touch one star also, even touch A also, even touch 0 to 9 also. We can say that one. That means to say how hard to guess a level of a privacy of the password. Is it possible to encrypting? Is it possible to encrypt a whole set of information? Similarly, hard drive, especially if you say that one, we can make once the system is coming up welcoming, we can set our own password, CMA setup password, and similarly get into the system level, post level, similarly later post level processing level, there itself only, even including a documentation, including a textual information, then followed by the multimedia wherever, locking sensitive document in a safe station, and we can find out how we can assign a level of a standard group of a team embassy, security clearance to the staffers, and using one of the important interface called SSL, secured socket layer for data transfer. See, once I am passing any sort of a message from my laptop, which are going to be reachable to you, then here there should be SSL firewall, secured socket layer, managing, correct? No? Sometimes you can find flow, sometimes you can find very correct, no? Peak level of a data which basically which we are using a secure socket layer concept and offsite backup of a document. These are various categories, major categories with respect to define various aspects of information assurance. And we quoted very clearly a protection of hardware, software, and data against physical threats to reduce and prevent disruption, and in which way it are going to be operate manually and without any loss of assets in organization. We can find out the measuring likelihood, which are within accidental or intentional destruction, misappropriation, misuse, alteration, configuration, unauthorized, correct, which are all comes under various personal security. We can find out any sort of a logical, any sort of physical access which are available, how we can incline, how we can find out the business pattern which are basic. Assure a positive level of good security to user. Similarly, IT security also inherent a technical functionalities, technical feature aspects, and which are going to be collectively contribute to the IT domain, and finally which are going to be achieved a confidentiality, integrity, availability, accountability, authenticity, and the reliability. And you say that one, how these are all managing with the help of IT security. And finally, operations, which involves the implementation of standard operation security procedure, which is going to be defined how the user and the system and the user, what purpose, which are going to be sustainable throughout the state of an information. We can find, say, very clearly one to another, complete information assurance, four important factors. One is a physical security, what we are going to be seeing from one beginning to end with hardcore component. Personal security in which are going to be manageable, that is a personal security. IT which related to the integrity of the functionality managing the software. Operational security which are a procedural and functional level of an information which completes a very clear about how. Next class, I will give a very clear picture about what are all the activities which, how we can make a comparison between information assurance and the cyber security. That will be going to be end of unit 1. And we can find out a various level of a component this within a short span of a time. Present today class is going to be wind up. Have a good day. See you if possible on day after tomorrow, Wednesday 3 o'clock or Thursday at 11:30. 11th or 12th. Okay, sir. All of you activities, people.